Hey guys, I'm gonna do a super quick impromptu unboxing of my Beachbody supplies that came in today. I did open it today because I did my first workout. Today was day one and I did need my the Shakeology. So I took that out. By the way, this is like delicious. I was a little worried because it's like superfoods and it was gonna be like healthy, but I drink protein shakes anyway and it was very typical to what they taste like. Okay, so when I first got the box, this was the first thing inside, and it's a portion fix eating plan, and it just gives you, there's some pamphlets inside here, there's some success stories. This has a lot of information about purchasing and what you need to do. You can contact your coach if you need a coach. They tell you how to get one. Here's all about the Shakeology, why it's good for you, little informational packets, that's helpful. But anyway, the portion fix eating plan, like this I feel like is going to be my Bible. It tells you everything you need to know about the food containers, like food substitutes, I guess, recipes. So this will be really nice, and it breaks it down for each color and ideas of what you can eat. So I'll probably be reading that like cover to cover. So I got my shakes, my Shakeology, and that's a 30-day supply, and it's the bag, so that's the better deal. You can also choose to do 24 individual packets, and they come in different flavors, but if you just want the chocolate flavor, you get 30-day supply instead of 24. So the Shakeology, you also get their Shakeology mixer. Now this must be a new design because I thought they used to have the like metal ball inside to help you shake it up, but like if you look in there, see that plastic, and that comes out. But this is like removable, so I wonder if this kind of replaces that ball, which is kind of nice because then it's not rattling around in there making a bunch of noise, so that's kind of nice. So that's the Shakeology, because the Shakeology mixer, whatever it's called. And so then these are your portion control containers, and it actually comes with stickers now. Like if you can see that, the lighting's kind of bad there. There we go. Yeah, you can actually stick them right on, and it says, I mean, you can write down how many stickers are microwavable and dishwasher safe. So that's nice. You use a permanent marker, you can write down your number. So I'm going to be really digging into this tonight and really looking. Today I kind of just like, actually I take that out. Tonight it just kind of like, or today I just kind of guessed. Like the apps are fantastic because they have an app for the on-demand workouts. They have an app for like your challenge group, and then they have a separate app for your nutrition, and it's so helpful. There's tons of recipes on there. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing tonight, is reading up on this just so I have a better idea tomorrow. I kind of looked at the recipes and things that were approved today, but I'm really going to hit it full throttle tomorrow for day 2. Okay, just finished workout for day 1, and as you can see, I'm dying. Pretty much did the modified version most of the time, but it's okay because I completed it, and it wasn't that bad. I do cardio drumming, so I feel like I'm kind of fit, so that helps. But I'm about to make my first Shakeology. thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will be taking you along on my Shakeology journey, and I'm hoping to have fantastic results. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.